Okay, go, go, go. 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 This guy.
I threw the ball at.
Round two. Hey, I can follow you guys down when you jump in. So go. Hey, you have any goggles?
Yeah.
Like ones that cover your nose?
Am I the only one that thinks this case? My name is in my mouth.
It's a pool. Deal with it.
Better take extra long.
Ah, these are my old ones. No, they seem fun.